Most business websites are absolutely useless and do not make your business any money. But what I'm about to show you in this video turns a boring website into a high-ticket sales machine. And what I'm referring to is an AI interactive quiz. And you can prompt this for any industry. And on top of showing you how to build this, okay, in this video, I am also going to show you how to sell it to local businesses so you have the full process A to Z. Check this out. All right, so let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about. This is the quiz that I was talking about, and I built it specifically for real estate agents. I'm going to give you this for free if you're going after real estate agents, but I'm also going to be showing you how to build this for any niche, but more importantly, how to reach out to local businesses, okay, with this sales script that I have and this AI prompt, which I'm going to be giving you for free, so we can build out these kinds of websites for any niche. Yes, this is so important. If you want to make a lot of money in 2026 and beyond, you have to be able to go after a big audience. And with AI, you can do that. So before I show you how to do this, I just want to show you something really important first so you understand the difference. If we come right into Google and we search realtors or any keyword in location, you're going to see a bunch of different stuff pops up. So if we click these guys right here, right, it's not the best. It just looks like a generic kind of MLS site. We're going to come right here. We'll click these guys as well. Okay. It's fine, but all it is the basic zip code, this, that, the third, when in reality, if you keep looking through, you'll see the same thing again and again. Basic ass websites that don't have any sort of AI integration. But with these kinds of vibe-coded AI sites, and again, I'm going to show you how to do this, it does way more. It actually captures leads. And if you add AI chatbots in the mix, it becomes absolutely insane. So if they come in here, if you're a real estate agent, just check this out. If they come in here and said, what brings you here? And this is a quiz. And as you see, it looks very nice. So if they say, selling a luxury property, they can click this. Okay, then it's going to talk about your ideal timeline. So they can then pick that. So let's say they want it immediately in 30 days. Then what's your comfortable investment range? We'll say we're trying to go big with 10 million plus. What matters to you most? We can click a couple of these. We're just going to click these three. We're going to click continue. We want the white glove service because we don't want to do anything. And then right here, as soon as they put their name, email, phone in here, it is going to then reveal the strategy. Even got some opt-in language right there, which is pretty cool. But what this is going to do is this is going to capture leads. And this is so important because some of these other sites look good, but what do? They just have people kind of browse and that. You want to be closing people. Okay, if you guys want to make money online properly, okay, and you want to either have a SaaS agency, a marketing agency, an AI agency, you have to sell solutions that make people money. If you're just selling random shit, it's not going to make you any money. That is why so many people struggle in this industry or they think it's saturated, is because they're all selling the same thing. You have to think outside the box. So again, I'm going to be giving this to you for free, but what I want to show you is how to build really any of these for any business so you can sell it. Okay, and that is my goal in this video. So if you have any questions before we jump into this, please drop in the comments down below at any time during this video and I will answer personally. I also want to let you know I'm not trying to sell you some high-ticket course or some weird coaching offer. I have none of that. Everything I'm going to be showing you in this video is free for me, so do not worry. I also want to let you know I have walked the walk. I have even won awards, as you're seeing on screen right now, for doing stuff like this. So again, I'm not just some random dude in a bathrobe. I've actually done this. So again, what I want to show you, it does take hard work, okay? Nothing is guaranteed, but I'm telling you, in my opinion, from what I can see, this is the best kind of stuff you need to be offering using AI because it's solving real problems. So the first thing we need to get into before we even jump into you pitching this, which we're going to go in, we need to go over how do you properly price these kinds of solutions. So the first thing to understand is that we are going to vibe code a site. We're going to get a site like this. We're going to re-vibe code it using this amazing vibe code we'll talk about in a sec, using this prompt. And then from there, we want to use this as a lead magnet to get local businesses in the door. So it's kind of like a foot in the door offer. Then from there, we want to upsell them. So let me show you exactly how I would price this. So as I said before, I would give away the vibe coded website, which we're about to build, for free. Okay, again, what you want, especially in 2026 and beyond, is to get your foot in the door by building that sales reciprocity. So let's say we'll vibe code a website, we'll give it to them free. Then for the AI services like the quiz and the hosting, we'll charge them per month. But what we want to do, and this is a pro tip, so if you're a beginner, please listen closely, we then want to upsell to more AI services, which is AI agents, which we're going to talk about later. Don't worry. Again, this is very beginner friendly. But that way, you make each customer worth more money. Because if you're always going out and just selling the same thing, you're never going to grow predictably. So that is the name of the game. We get our foot in the door, make around $300 a month, then we upsell over the next couple months because we're doing a good job. And again, upselling, and this is what a lot of people that don't understand sales think, they think you're just selling random shit. Not the way it works. All you're simply doing is solving more of the business owner's problems as they come up due to your solutions that are creating more good problems like more leads, more opt-ins, etc. So it's a natural process. So what I want to do now is I now want to show you how to vibe code this site so we can get that foot in the door offer and then work everything else. So now that you understand what we're doing and the pricing, let's go into taking these kinds of quizzes and immediately giving them to local businesses. So the first thing you got to do is you got to type in a niche. You can pick any niche. The specifics of this video, it is realtors, because I already have this built. I'm going to give you this for free and this sales script and this AI prompt. So if you're going after realtors, it's a bonus, but we can also do this for any niche, just to let you know. So we have you covered, but we're going to do realtors in location. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through Google and we're going to find ones that do not have good websites. Very simple. You just go in, you find the ones that don't have good websites, just like we did here, where we find it where it's just looking a little rough. And then from there, we can add in the quiz element. So this is essentially all we have to do. Once we find said business that we like, you have two options. Number one, you can use this exact demo and send it to them right now, which again, you're giving for free, and use this sales script to reach out. So you can reach out to them via SMS if it's opted in, email, cold call, walk in, direct mail, get in front of them like, hey, here this is, check out this thing I built you, and you can do this one right here. Or if you want to give them the exact thing you're selling, we can just quickly vibe code them something so it reflects their business. So say we're going after these guys. Again, this is educational purposes only. I am just copying these random people. We are then going to come to this vibe coder, okay? And we're going to put in this prompt. So we're going to copy this. We're going to put it in this vibe coder. If you don't know what a vibe coder is, it is basically just an AI that you tell it what to do and it does it. It's absolutely amazing. You're about to see. And we're going to copy the exact URL of the website we want, and we're going to come right in here, okay? And we're just going to paste the homepage URL right here. That's all we got to do. Once we put that in, we're then going to click enter, and this vibe coder is really quickly going to rebuild this website, okay, but with this interactive quiz. So we have something that matches their business so that when we do reach out, it's simpler. Now, you can absolutely use what I already have built, but with the vibe coder, we can quickly vibe code something for a realtor, and then we get in immediately. Wow, look at this. It just rebuilt this entire thing with a quiz for this exact company, as you saw here. Okay, but made it way better with the quiz. Again, you can go up to these people and say, hey, do you want this quiz? That's what I recommend you do. And it's matching their exact brand. You can do this for any industry. This is what makes this so powerful, is these vibe coders, okay, can go in, recreate, make better, and then you immediately act and look like a pro. Now, you're probably wondering, well, what is this vibe coder? What is he doing? This is called GoHighLevel. If you don't know what it is essentially an AI-powered software. It's the best I've ever seen, and it is extremely good for selling to local businesses. But what I've done is I've talked to the team, because again, I didn't want you guys to just have to spend money randomly. I want you guys to be able to try it. I talked to the team and I worked out to get you a 30-day extended free trial. That way you can try this for 30 days. And if you don't like it and you're like, this sucks, Declan the Wizard is an idiot, you can cancel. Zero risk. And on top of that, I also want to give you access to my entire private community, all of my learning videos, training, pre-built out systems, sales scripts, okay, prompts. Again, we already kind of went over all this, but most importantly, I want to give you access to something that's a little better, which is hand-holding. Okay, so I'm talking about calls with me where you can talk to me, and calls with all my other coaches so you have a plan to basically get clients. Because if you can't go and get clients and reach out to them, this whole thing is useless. And that's the problem with so many of these guys online, these gurus, is they're trying to sell you this 10K program to teach you more about how to do tech stuff. You don't need to learn more tech stuff. It's easy enough. You can just vibe code your way there. What you need to learn is how to properly sell this stuff. And again, in this group, you get access to all of this completely for free, okay, and all the hand-holding you could possibly want. If you don't believe me, go down below, click that link, and you'll see, like, it is absolutely legit. Actually, in a matter of fact, I can yap all day. Don't take it from me. Take it from the other people. Check this out.
Agency wise, we're hitting 30 plus a month, and
30,000 a month?
Yeah.
Thanks to your help, Declan, and the partnership, I was able to sell 3 clients this month.
How much you at per month now? Close to
So this month we're going to eclipse 50K.
So to date, since started working with you, I've made a lot of money. So probably well over $47,000.
And I have a ton more stories just like that of people coming in and absolutely crushing. Again, it's not a guarantee that you're going to do the same, but if you're willing to work hard, we can make some magical stuff happen. And the best part is you get it for free. And the software is absolutely amazing. So either way, you're covered. And again, you just go right down below and grab that just like that. So now that you understand the whole vibe coding part, creating this exact template where or we can go to local businesses and redo it. We now have our foot in the door. Like I said, you can give it to them for free, but here's one of the important things that you need to understand for this whole process to work. Because you start with finding the local business. You either use the template I have or you recreate a template that matches their business. You get a hold of them via, like I said, voicemail, cold call, text if they're opted in, email, walk-in, direct mail, like however you do it, you get a hold of them. So from there, once you get that part connected, the next step, once we have them on this, is over the next couple months, and again, we'll help you in the community to get this dialed in, is that we want to upsell them with AI agents. This is so important. By the way, if you don't know what AI agents are, it's robots that can talk to you via text, email, and all that stuff, and robots that legit can talk to you on the phone and close you and do sales and customer support 24/7 like this.
Hello, you reached Evercrest Realty. This is Chanel. How can I help you today?
Hey, Chanel, how you doing? I'm looking to sell my house.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Selling your house, exciting. Let's get started. I can schedule a free evaluation with one of our expert agents to help price and market it effectively. Could you share the property address with me?
So as you see here, these are extremely powerful, but this is how you're going to get more money over time, because what a lot of these guys online aren't telling you is they're just telling you to go to get people. But the real business side, because I've been doing business for a while, is you want to make every customer you get worth more money. That is ultimately how you scale much faster. Okay, yes, you absolutely want to get clients all day, and you absolutely want to reach out. And I have a bunch of videos that I constantly have on my YouTube channel. Drop a comment down below if you want me to send you of like 25 different ways to get clients. It shows you everything. Again, it's free on YouTube. I can hook you up if you drop a comment. But the whole point is, now that we can vibe code and be armed with the skills to do this, we now can basically give them the best foot in the door offer possible. But then that means most of your time needs to be focused on upselling them on AI agents. And High Level has by far the best I've seen. Again, you can try it for 30 days. If you hate it, you don't have to go through with it. But I'm telling you, the upsell is so critical. Because if you're a beginner and you're watching this right now and you're like, yo, this sounds pretty cool, but this also sounds complicated. Well, it's not, because all I'm telling you to do is do the same thing again and again and again. I'm not telling you to go learn how to build websites. I'm not telling you to learn how to build complicated web flow, automation, designs, and all this crap. I'm literally just telling you, use the pre-built out AI agents I have in here, use the AI prompts I have with a vibe coder, and just do the same thing every day, which is going out, contacting local businesses, giving it to them, and then upselling them. Simple as that. I'm telling you right now, I know that is not sexy, but that is how you make money in this industry. If people are telling you, oh, you need the special strategy, you need this, you need that, they're bullshitting you. I'm telling you right now, it is very simple to actually do this. And I'm trying to give you guys stuff where it just takes your energy and creativity. Now, you're going to have to go out. You're going to have to get your hands there. You're going to have to work. But if you want money here and you actually want to make this a business model, you actually want to help, let's say, realtors grow, you're going to have to talk to them. And if you're shy, well, you can have AI kind of talk to them. But that's another story for another time. If you're interested, drop a comment down below on that. But that is essentially how we're going to go about this entire process. So now that we understand this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link a video at the end of this video. It's going to pop up in about 20 seconds. That's going to be 25 different ways for you to get clients. I think this is really important because it's like in a 10-hour video, but it's going to go over all the different ways you can reach out. Because if you already have an AI agency, well, you may need to understand how to do this because you may be sucking at prospecting. And that, in all my years of coaching, that is always the biggest problem for marketing agencies, SaaS agencies, AI agencies. They can't get clients. That's the most important part. It's the boring part, but it's the part that's going to make you a shitload of money. So with all that being said, thank you for watching. If you're interested in getting access to all of this, like this right here, this amazing sales script, also this AI prompt, plus everything in my community, the 30-day free trial is right down below. There might be running a promo at the time of this video, so also check that out. But go down below, check that out. But most importantly, watch the video that pops up right now.